When you are reading a long text, sometimes if you pause the text by touching or by using the proximity sensor, then you have to listen the text from the very beginning. But if I am telling you that you can resume your reading, yes, just performing a single gesture, you can do that. So let me show this first. Let me go to
Page 1, social media. Open folder,
my
Telegram, column 3,
Facebook. So let me open my Facebook.
Facebook.
Here is a
Reasons
post. Please listen carefully. It's in the post, not my post.
Reasons to start affiliate marketing. Help others achieve their goals and win.
I have stopped. So let me perform the gesture.
Reasons to start affiliate. Spoken language.
So sometimes it's not working, but you have to keep in your mind that you have to pause by using the same gestures. I will tell you in details, but let me show you the proof.
Reasons to start affiliate marketing.
I am performing the gestures raising hand till I have listened till raising hand, right? So now I am performing the gestures again. Let's see.
Help others achieve their goals and win raising hands. Learn business, sales, and marketing. Add
Okay.
an income stream in 2023 money back. Become financial.
So this is how we can perform a gesture and we can resume our readings. Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very important and very interesting trick of TalkBack by which you can easily pause and resume your readings by performing just a gesture. So how to do that? If you want to know, then watch this video till the end. You will get to know about all of the settings. So let's start today's episode. Let me go to the TalkBack settings.
TalkBack menu. Take TalkBack settings.
So from TalkBack settings, you have to go to customize gestures. So I'm going to customize gestures.
Controls. Customize gestures.
I'm double tapping on it.
Customize gestures.
So I'm swiping from left to right.
Customize. Drag. Reset. One thing. Swipe up. Swipe down.
Swipe up, swipe
left,
down.
Swipe. One thing. Swipe up then down. Previous reading control. Swipe. Swipe right then. One finger angle. Swipe up then left. Pause or resume speech.
Swipe up then left. Pause. Resume speech. So by default, I think by default you may set as a back button or home button or something like this. So just change it. So I'm double tapping on it.
Swipe
Let's
up
see.
then basic navigation.
Basic
Heading.
navigation.
Tab 3. Touch and hold. Previous. Next type. Focus. Previous. Next window. Scroll. System. Home. Back. Overview. Notification. Quick setting. Reading. Read from top. Read from next. Ticked. Pause or resume speech. 22 of
So
46.
pause. Resume speech.
Turn speech on or off.
Turn
20.
speech
Change
on or off.
spoken language.
Change spoken
Menu and
language.
controls. Heading.
Menu and
Open
controls.
TalkBack menu.
So all these
26
things,
of
but
46.
you have to set pause, resume speech. Okay, but remember one thing: you do not stop or do not pause readings by using your touch or proximity sensor. So you have to perform the gesture to pause. For example, you are reading a story and sometimes you need to pause. So just perform the gesture to pause and then again perform the gestures to resume where you have left. So this is a short video about a very useful trick. I hope this video can help you in your daily Android usage. If yes, then press the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friend, with your community, and let me know into the comment section that do you know about this gesture or just learned from this video. Please let me know in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.